Hi guys, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this episode we are going to be finding the true length of a line and its true angle to the horizontal plane given the elevation and the plan. So in this case we have the elevation to this line, this is the elevation here and this is the plan. So what we have to do here, we are looking for the true angle to the horizontal plane, and the true length. So the first thing is to draw the given elevation. So we have the given elevation as AB here, so the elevation is here, that's this line A and this line B. Then we also have the plan A prime and B prime. Now we need to draw perpendiculars to A prime, A prime, A prime, B prime. So we are going to draw perpendiculars to A prime, B prime at A prime and B prime. So basically all we need to do is just make use of the baseline here. Just put your t-square parallel to the baseline, and then you need to draw perpendicular lines. So or rather you make use of a t-square of the set square. You put the set square. You put the set square on the baseline here. So we need to draw perpendiculars, right? So we change it. Let it go here. So position the ruler here below it, and then we are going to be sliding it to A1. So we have to draw the perpendicular to to A1 at. So we are going to draw perpendiculars to this A prime. You can call it A1 or A prime. Let's draw perpendiculars to A prime. So what I need to do is just slide my ruler here. So I'll draw the first perpendicular. Then I can also draw a line parallel to this one. Since it's the same line, perpendiculars on the same line will be parallel. So I'll just project it and take it to B. I'll still draw a perpendicular to B. So this is good enough. Now we need to mark A prime C equal to the distance from the XY line to A. So basically what we need to do here again, we need to draw a line from XY to A. So this is the XY, just in case I didn't denote that before. This is XY, this is the baseline, this is the XY line. This XY line denotes the baseline of this drawing. So this XY line. So then I'll draw a line from A to XY. So I have this first line. Then we need a line from B to XY. So I have it here. So now the next thing is that we'll cut off a distance equal to the length from XY line to A. So from XY to A, we'll cut it off. That's the distance we'll be cutting off here. Then also likewise, we'll cut off the distance from B to XY. We'll cut it off. So from B to XY, open your compass from B to XY. So this is the distance from B to XY. Now the next thing to do is we'll cut off this distance from B prime. So now you can see we have 2 points. Now we have this first point here, we have the second point, intersection. So the next step is to join the intersections together. We'll join the intersections together. So with a thick line, and that will be the true length of the line. Now if you project this true length to the right and you project the line also to the right, they will meet at an angle, and that angle will be the true inclination of the line to the horizontal plane. That's when we are drawing it in this horizontal plane. But if we are drawing it in the vertical plane, we will be getting the true inclination to the vertical. Now this line let's call it CD. This line CD is the true length of the line. Now the angle between the A prime and B prime and CD produced is the true angle to the horizontal plane. So as I said earlier, when we produce this line, I will draw an angle. If you measure it, you will get the true length of the line. So thanks for watching.